Every jet engine begins far from the factory, deep within the earth, where rare metals are extracted for extreme performance.
These materials are refined to withstand temperatures hotter than molten lava. Only aerospace-grade metals qualify for flight. Precision logistics protect materials destined for the skies.
Welcome to our aerospace facility. Today, I'll show you how a jet engine is built, from raw metal to flight-ready power. Subscribe for more factory tours like this.
Every component begins with micron-level machining.
Tolerances here are thinner than a human hair.
Extreme pressure creates unmatched strength.
These coatings protect engines at supersonic temperatures.
This is the heart of the engine. Perfect balance ensures vibration-free flight. Thousands of parts become one powerful machine. Every engine is pushed beyond real-world limits.
The data flow on the alpha channel is exceeding the threshold here.
I see it. Cross-reference with the historical archive immediately.
And that's how a jet engine is made. Engineering power that keeps the world flying.
If you enjoyed this factory journey, hit like, subscribe to Inside Process, and tell us in the comments, Clyde, what should we explore next?